Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of communication management with a detailed review of the Truecaller Premium MOD APK version 15.2.2. If you've ever been plagued by spam calls or just want a superior way to manage your contacts and identify incoming calls, this app might just be your salvation. With its cutting-edge features, Truecaller has revolutionized the way we interact with our smartphones. Let's explore its robust features in detail. Overview first. Let's discuss what sets the Truecaller Premium MOD APK apart from the standard version. The app comes with an array of powerful modifications to elevate your user experience. These include the unlocking of all premium features, ensuring ads do not interrupt your seamless navigation. You can also enjoy the aesthetics of an AMOLED black theme that's easy on the eyes and saves battery life. And what's better than accessing these features with a lifetime gold active status? Absolutely nothing. The developers have gone above and beyond, patching all banner ads, disabling ads layout, and eradicating any bugs or crashes you may have encountered in previous versions. In-depth features Now, let's delve deeper into the incredible mod info that this application offers. Imagine having all the premium features unlocked, giving you the ultimate access to tools that enhance your caller identification process, spam blocking, and more. Additionally, all intrusive ads have been removed from the app. No more unexpected pop-ups while you're trying to concentrate on important tasks. The application's developers deserve a commendation for eradicating these disruptions and guaranteeing a smooth, focused experience. Furthermore, one of the standout elements is the all devices supported feature. This ensures that whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, the modded version will work efficiently, providing you with all the benefits regardless of the platform. Bonus: all debugging information that typically clutters the user interface has been diligently removed, streamlining your experience even further. Conclusion and call to action In conclusion, the Truecaller Premium MOD APK version 15.2.2 offers an unmatched experience in managing your mobile communications. With its premium features unlocked, ad-free browsing, and universal device support, it truly elevates your interaction with your smartphone. If you're tired of the incessant interruptions from spam calls and ads, this is your opportunity to enjoy a seamless user experience. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, subscribe for more in-depth tech content, and share this video with friends who might be in dire need of a telecommunication revolution. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.